That's what they do.
Okay.
The whole rest of the organism is this big lump of flesh.
Okay.
So sometimes out in the ground you'll have the mushroom, the flesh of the mushroom will be growing through the ground and have a rather large body,
Yeah.
I mean, underground they could be tens of thousands of pounds, really.
Right.
And so, like, instead of like stimulus, so we could call it foreplay,
Uh-huh.
If the flesh is stimulated properly, it'll produce a mushroom, and then the mushroom releases its spores. Somewhere out in the environment, the spores will germinate, and they're not actually like a seed, though. They're more like a
And what did?
they're more like a sperm,
Uh-huh.
where they only have half the DNA or half the genetic sequence. So the actual spores will germinate, and they'll just expand out in this one single filament. And another spore somewhere else will do that, and they'll grow out. Somewhere along the way they'll meet, and if they're compatible, they'll join together, and that's what's called a marriage. And from that point on, you have a genetically complete organism where it has both sides of the double helix in the genetics. And then that grows, that's
Wow.
what is actually what forms the flesh of a mushroom. So when it grows from there into whatever it grows on. There are some mushrooms that actually grow, in live, well, we have them in us. There's fungus in us right now, just like
Yeah.
bacteria and viruses. But there's some mushrooms that grow very specific, like on caterpillars.
Oh.
So
That's so interesting.
I'm trying to think, there's a new series of DVDs out, put out by, I think the Discovery Channel puts it out. I think it's 5 CDs. It's called The Planet Earth. You heard of that?
Yes.